Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to dynamically load icons from an AtlasTexture in Godot. This technique is very useful for inventory systems, where many icons are stored inside a single texture sheet. Instead of importing many individual images, we'll select icons dynamically using coordinates. First, prepare an AtlasTexture that contains multiple inventory icons. In this example, each icon is 64 by 64 pixels, arranged in a grid inside one image. This means each icon can be accessed by its x-index and y-index in the Atlas. Next, import the Atlas image into the Godot file system by simply dragging the texture into your project folder. Godot will automatically import it as a texture resource that we can reference later in scripts. Now create a new Node 2D scene. Add an HBoxContainer. This container will arrange our icons horizontally. Inside the container, add a TextureRect node. You could also use a button if you want interactive inventory slots, but in this example, we'll use TextureRect. Attach a script to the TextureRect node. This script will dynamically select a region from the Atlas. Here is the script. You can find this script in the description. Let's quickly break down what this script does. The exported variable AtlasTexture allows us to assign the AtlasTexture directly from the inspector. The variables x-index and y-index represent the position of the icon in the grid. The icon size is set to 64 pixels, matching the size of each icon in the Atlas. In the _ready function, we create a new AtlasTexture resource and assign the Atlas image to it. Then we set the TextureRect texture to this AtlasTexture. Finally, we call updateRegion, which calculates the correct region of the Atlas. This function multiplies the index values by the icon size to find the exact coordinates of the icon. Then select TextureRect node, and you can see new properties added from Inspector. Set AtlasTexture to icon Atlas we've imported. Set x-index and y-index value. Click play button to test. The icon loaded successfully. Nice. Now simply duplicate the TextureRect node multiple times. For each duplicate, change the x-index and y-index values in the inspector. This will load a different icon from the Atlas without needing multiple image files. And that's it. Now you have a flexible way to dynamically load inventory icons from a single AtlasTexture in Godot. This approach improves performance, keeps your project organized, and works perfectly for inventory systems, item icons, or ability icons. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Godot tutorials.